Ultramodern Tema Istanbul, the largest residential complex in Istanbul, now benefits from reliable surveillance, thanks to a professional system based on TRASSIR technology. TRASSIR simultaneously addresses several challenges at the residential complex, whose territory spans 1.5 million square meters. It provides video monitoring through 160 installed IP cameras. It reduces the load on employees thanks to the installation of SIMT smart tracking sensors. The analytical module, Auto TRASSIR, which is installed in the residential complex's access checkpoint, performs license plate recognition, which lets vehicles enter and exit automatically without the involvement of security personnel. The self-diagnostic cloud service, TRASSIR Cloud, reports equipment malfunctions and other problems, making it possible to quickly fix them. TRASSIR is scalable, so it is possible to extend and increase the number of control zones in the complex. In the near future, the number of channels will reach 800, and Tema Istanbul will become the country's largest and safest residential complex. This massive and technically challenging project was implemented by one of DSSL's strategic partners, Argonath Security.